What's up YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making this quick and easy curry coconut shrimp recipe, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start by seasoning the shrimp. I am using some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, and some smoked paprika. I'm going to mix it in, then I'm going to let it marinate just for a little while. To the pot, I add some oil and then some chopped up garlic and onion. I sauteed them for a minute, then I went in with my curry powder. I let that burn a bit in the oil, then I add the Irish potatoes. Then some coconut milk, let that boil for about 5 minutes on low heat just to cook the Irish potatoes. After the 5 minutes, I add some scallion and thyme and hot pepper. When it simmered a bit, I add my shrimp. So shrimp does not take a long time to cook, so I cooked it for 2 minutes. Add some salt, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning for taste. Then I allowed it to cook for another 3 minutes. And this is it all finished. The coconut milk gave it this creamy texture. I am looking forward to eating this. I served it with some plain rice and it was absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.